This is a live studio, live studio time with Rasmus. The new album is coming out for him. I think you will tune and watch the music on the YouTube channels. You can able to see whatever what we do on the studio. You can see yourself.
That was more fire, man. That was more fire, man. Yeah, catch the new album from Rastaman Kushui. You know, I'm working with the only guy, who understands my reggae and Sipedi.
Yes.
The legendary.
Yeah.
We give thanks to our fans that reggae is here to stay. No matter you're singing reggae in Sepedi or Chivenda in English, but the reggae is reggae.
Yes.
Yeah, it doesn't have boundaries.
God bless.
It was nice to record in a very big studio. You know, the sound,
Yeah.
the pitch band,
Yeah.
the backing vocalist.
Super.
It's more fire, man.
Fire.
So let's support the reggae, guys. Reggae is here to stay.
Sure.
And nobody can stop reggae. God bless.